Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got more Christmas beauty edits to share with you. This time from Cult Beauty, and these are the Christmas crackers. We have got, I knew they would fall. They all retail for £22. We've got a Selfcare one that has a value of £70. We got Haircare that has a value of £68. And we got makeup, which has a value of £83 and is really super light. Now, to make it more exciting for me, as soon as they were released yesterday on the Cult Beauty website, I bought them all so I could share with you. And I didn't really look into seeing what's inside each one. So it's a bit of a surprise for me. And that is why I'm a bit surprised. Well, this one is really light. But anyway, it's not about the weight of the products, it's about the actual products and whether it's good value for money. They're great products. We got some decent sizes in there. But yeah, I think for £22, it's a nice price point. But we'll see as we open them all up. If you're interested in any of these for yourself, as always, you'll find details down below in my description. Plus you see all my other discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got currently running. So check out my description for more information. So let's start with the Haircare one. I'll show you up close. Good quality, great design. What I like to see in a cracker. It says, ready to let your hair down this holiday season? Look no further than the carefully curated collection of strand-saving formulas and replenishing scalp treatments that promise healthy, hydrated tresses with every swish. With every swish. Okay, there's 4 products inside. Starting off, we've got Hair by Sam McKnight. This is Deeper Love. This is an intense treatment mask. And there's 50 mils there. Ooh, okay. For luxuriously soft volume and stronger, healthier hair, enhanced with dual acting voluminous to visibly thicken the hair inside out. Apply to damp hair, comb through, and leave on for about 5 minutes. Oh, I wasn't expecting that smell. It's not bad, it's not bad. It just smells of bark. Earthy. Yeah, it's fine, it's nice, it's alright, it's not bad at all. Oh, see, me and my my reactions before I even think. Yeah, it's nice, it's natural, it's not overpowering, but it's not the smell, it's the product, obviously, isn't it? But yeah, I haven't tried this one before, so that's new for me. Then we have got a product that I have tried, and I do really like this. I've got a big tub of it. This is Christoph Robin, and it's a scalp scrub. It's a cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt. And there's 40 mils there. Apply a tablespoon amount once a week onto wet hair, massage, then emulsify, rinse and follow with a purifying jelly to detangle. I do love these scrubs, but I've got to be honest, when I first started doing their rounds a couple of years ago, I was really nervous because I got very thin, fine hair and I'm thinning more so around my hairline. So rubbing in a scrub may break off my already fine thin hair. So I was like, no, I can't use it, but I do really like it. This scrub, it smells amazing, I keep on sniffing it, but with all hair scrubs, you're stimulating the scalp, so you're increasing the blood flow, so it's great. It's great for getting rid of any dead skin cells on your hair. Hair scrubs are really, really good. Then we've got a new product for me, Cold Press Stem Cell Scalp Serum. Okay, this is by Act and Acre, and there's 30 mils there. So what is this then? Obviously a scalp serum. Powered by H2 Grow Complex, this daily serum supports the scalp's natural growth cycle for fuller, thicker looking hair. Ideal for all hair types. You apply it to damp or dry hair. Apply 4 to 5 pipettes along the hairline and part. Massage into scalp evenly. Leave on and do not rinse. And use daily for best results. And some of these serums, oh, I like the bottle. Some of these serums are really nice and they absorb nicely into the hair. It doesn't leave like a greasy film or anything, but some of them do, and there's no way I can leave the house with my hair looking like it is now. Then, you know, it looks as if I haven't got any product on my hair. Well, no serums and oils on my scalp anyway, but yeah, some of them do, so I hope this one doesn't, because it sounds really good. If you've tried it, let me know. And then lastly, we've got an advent calendar favourite. I've received a few of these and I still haven't used it yet. This is Virtue Mend, Protects and Shines. The only hair oil with Virtue's exclusive, powerful, hair transforming alpha keratin, 6KU. 100% of users immediately saw lightweight, shinier hair that looked instantly repaired. I'll show you the outer packaging. Oils are another one that make me nervous. But there are some really nice ones out there, and I know a load of you have recommended some for me as well. So that's the Haircare cracker, £22, has a value of 68. We've got a hair treatment, we've got a scalp scrub, we've got a scalp serum, and we've got a hair oil. Next up, Selfcare. There we go. Oh, I forgot to say, I really like the Haircare one. There's some nice products in there and a few that I haven't tried. In the Selfcare cracker, we've got 5 products. Starting off with Molten Brown. This is a bath and shower gel, 100 mils, and this is Recharge Black Pepper. I do love Molten Brown. I really do love their products. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That is really nice, really nice. I can't really say what's to say about it. Nah, it's just nice. I like it anyway. So Recharge Black Pepper. Then we've got the Seated Queen. This is a cold cream cleanser mask, and there's 30 mils there. It's a 3-in-1 cleanser and mask, and it soothes and plumps. I'm sure I've had this in a beauty box or advent calendar. Wow, it feels really nice. I'm rubbing it into my hand, but obviously it's a cleanser and a mask. Why does it say 3-in-1 then? What's the third one? It's a 5-minute mask, or you can leave it on overnight. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I love the smell of that. So we've got a face mask and a cleanser. There we go. Away. This is a scalp and body scrub, and this is in St. Bart's, and there's 30 grams here. I love the scent of Away products, and this one in particular is gorgeous. It's really lovely. Look at it. Oh, look. So, oh, the smell is so nice. It's quite sweet and like fruity. Yeah, I really love that. I do really like these. So it's a body and scalp scrub there. Then we got Augustinus Bader. This is the body oil, and there's 30 mils. I don't think I've tried anything other than the rich cream from this brand before, so that's a little bit different. I like the bottle. Yeah, it's really nice. It says apply after showering or bathing, or bathing I should say. Let's try a little bit on my hand. You're not going to see anything, but no smell. No smell. I'm really trying to sniff it. No, there's no smell in it, which is fine. It's okay. That's gone into my skin really lovely. It's just really left it nice and soft. Oh, and my hair knuckles as well. So we've got a body oil. And then lastly, my favourite liquid exfoliator is Paula's Choice. And this is 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid for all skin types. And there's 30 mils there. I do really like this. I use it a couple of times a week, and it just leaves my skin feeling really soft. It's got acids in there, so it's really getting into my skin and clearing out all my pores and helping with my breakouts and things like that. But oh, my skin just feels so amazing afterwards. I really, really love it. It's my #1 liquid exfoliant. Yeah, I love that. And there you go. So we've got a liquid exfoliant, we've got a body oil, we've got a scalp and body scrub, we've got a bath and shower gel, and we've got a cleanser and a face mask there. And the Self-Care box has a value of £70. Yeah, I really like this one. It's got some great brands and some really nice products. Would make a really nice gift for someone. Yeah, I think that's beautiful. So the last one then, the makeup one, which feels super light. What is in there? We got 4 items. We got an Iconic London. This is a lip plumping gloss. Is there a shade? Is there a shade? The original Iconic? Maybe not. Lip plumping, it could be just clear. There. Try a little bit on my hand to show you. Oh, it does have a little bit of tint, but not much. Very, very nude, you know? There. So it does have a little bit, but it's not going to show up too much on your lips. I've just seen that it's in shade Love Struck, and it has a really nice sort of peppermint smell. Peppermint and aniseed, I think. You're not interested in the smell of it, are you? What's the point in me telling you? No point. So we've got a lip gloss with a slight tint to it. We've got Charlotte Tilbury. This is a Pillow Talk Colour Chameleon Colour Morphin Eyeshadow Pencil. Okay. And this looks full size. Wow. Okay. I don't think I got this one. No. Oh my gosh, I love this colour. I absolutely love this colour. Yeah, Pillow Talk. It's like a rosy tone, shimmery, beautiful. I'm obsessed with eyeshadow pencils. I've got a load of them. And yeah, I really do like them. They're just nice, quick and easy to create a look. See, that blends out quite nicely as well. So you could build an eye look with that. You can apply that over your eyelids, above your lashes, blend it out, and then you can create more definition then by going in and maybe tapping it, or underneath your eyes. I love applying the pencils underneath my eyes and like really smoking it out. Yeah, that is a beautiful colour. I love that. Then we've got Westman Artilia. This is a petite lit up highlighting stick in shade Nectar. I love the design. Very, very smart. There. Okay, where haven't I applied anything? This is really pretty. This is really, really pretty. I have already got one of these, but it's in a different shade. Can you see a slight shimmer there? It's almost giving like a dewy look. It's very subtle, but it is beautiful. It is really, really pretty. It's all around there. Can you see? It's so lovely. Oh, I love it. Yeah, gorgeous. Just with a hint of a tint of like a pinky nude. You can sort of see like gold little flecks in there. It's a flattering highlighter that is really, really beautiful. That give a glowy, dewy look, but not too over the top shimmery. If you wanted a more intense highlighter look, you could apply this first and then go over with a little bit of powder highlighter. So definite thumbs up from me. And then lastly, we have got a nude sticks. This is Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in Sunkissed Pink. I'll just take the wrapper off. There you can see the colour. I am really, really impressed with this box. The colours all blend nicely. You've got something for your lips and cheeks, something for your lips, something for your eyes, and then something for your face. And you can apply the Westman Artilia on like shoulder blades, going down your arms, your shins, anything like that. This is definitely my favourite cracker of the three, and it has the highest value as well. So even though it weighs next to nothing, it has a value of £83. So my number one would be the makeup one, and then the skincare, and then the hair care. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of them? Are you going to get one for yourself, or are you going to get one or two for friends or family for Christmas? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I've got a couple of Sephora favourite beauty boxes to share with you. They arrived when I went to Greece last week, so they'll be coming the next day or two. Plus I got some advent calendars still to unbox for you. So I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.